Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to manage multiple accounts on InfinitePay.io. Whether you are handling personal or business accounts or managing different business accounts, InfinitePay.io makes it easy. To begin with, log into your InfinitePay.io account using your username and password. After that, navigate to the Accounts or Manage Accounts section. This is where you can view and switch between multiple accounts. To add a new account, look for an option like Add Account or Create New Account. After that, follow the prompts to enter the details for the new account, such as account type and any associated information. Once you have edited multiple accounts, you can switch between them from the accounts dashboard. Simply select the account you wish to manage or view from the list. To manage settings for each account, click on the account you want to adjust. You can update account details, set up notifications, and review transaction history for each individual account. Ensure each account security by using strong, unique passwords and enabling two-factor authentication where available. Review and manage your account permissions to control which users or services have access to each account. You have successfully learned how to manage multiple accounts on InfinitePay.io. This feature helps you keep your finances organized and ensures you can efficiently handle various accounts from a single platform. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.